I in Law Enforcement, Balancing Security and Privacy. Title: I in Law Enforcement, Balancing Security and Privacy. Introduction, 100 words. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly advanced in recent years, revolutionizing various industries, including law enforcement. The integration of AI technologies in law enforcement practices has led to significant improvements in crime prevention, investigation, and public safety. However, as AI continues to play a crucial role in these areas, concerns regarding security and privacy have emerged. This article delves into the benefits of AI in law enforcement, explores the potential risks to privacy, and suggests approaches to strike a balance between security and privacy considerations. Benefits of AI in law enforcement, 300 words. The incorporation of AI technologies in law enforcement has proven to be beneficial in numerous ways. One major advantage is the enhanced ability to process vast volumes of data. AI-powered predictive analytics tools allow law enforcement agencies to anticipate criminal activities, enabling proactive preventive measures. By analyzing historical crime data, these systems can identify crime hotspots or individuals with a higher likelihood of offending. This approach not only helps authorities allocate resources effectively but also deters potential criminals by creating an increased risk of detection. Investigative processes have also benefited from AI advancements. Facial recognition technology enables law enforcement agencies to identify individuals involved in criminal activities more accurately and quickly. By analyzing facial features and comparing them to databases, authorities can swiftly locate suspects, missing persons, or victims who may be at risk. The use of AI in law enforcement can significantly improve public safety by enabling faster response times. Potential risks and privacy concerns, 500 words. While AI offers significant advantages, it also presents potential risks and privacy concerns. Utilizing AI for surveillance purposes raises questions about the boundaries between public safety and invasion of privacy. Widespread use of facial recognition technology, for instance, could lead to the continuous monitoring of individuals' movements, impacting personal freedom and autonomy. Another concern relates to the potential bias inherent in AI algorithms. If the data used to train the algorithms is biased, the outputs can perpetuate or exacerbate existing social biases. For example, if facial recognition technology is more accurate on one specific demographic than others, it can disproportionately affect certain groups and lead to discriminatory profiling. Data security and privacy protection are significant issues when implementing AI in law enforcement. The vast amount of sensitive information collected, from surveillance footage to personal identifiers, increases the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. Safeguarding this data requires robust security protocols, stringent data governance policies, and transparent accountability frameworks to maintain public trust. Addressing the challenges, 400 words. To strike a balance between security and privacy, law enforcement agencies must adopt several measures. First and foremost, these agencies should ensure transparency by informing the public about the AI systems used, their capabilities, and the purposes for which they are employed. This transparency enhances public understanding, trust, and accountability. Law enforcement agencies should also establish clear guidelines and regulations to govern the use of AI in their practices. These guidelines should include strict protocols for data collection, handling, storage, and sharing. Regular audits and assessments of AI systems should be conducted to identify any biases in algorithms and mitigate the risks of discriminatory profiling. Moreover, collaboration between law enforcement agencies, technology developers, and privacy advocates is essential. By involving all relevant stakeholders, a holistic approach can be established to address security and privacy concerns. This collaboration can help foster the responsible development and deployment of AI tools to ensure they are used ethically and in compliance with legal and privacy rights. I apologize for the duplication. I will continue the article from where it left off. Ethical considerations and accountability, 300 words. Ethical considerations are paramount when implementing AI in law enforcement. It is crucial to ensure that AI systems are programmed to prioritize fairness, justice, and respect for human rights. To achieve this, constant monitoring and auditing of AI systems are necessary to identify and rectify any ethical concerns that may arise. Accountability measures should also be put in place to hold law enforcement responsible for the use and impact of AI technologies. This includes mechanisms for reviewing and challenging decisions made by AI systems. Ensuring that there is a transparent process for handling complaints and concerns related to AI deployment will help maintain public confidence and mitigate potential abuse. The role of human oversight, 300 words. While AI can augment law enforcement efforts, it is important to recognize that human oversight is essential. Human judgment, empathy, and discretion cannot be fully replaced by AI systems. Human decision makers should have the final say in interpreting the outcomes and recommendations provided by AI tools. This ensures that potential biases or errors are properly assessed and mitigated. Training and education, 200 words. To effectively implement and manage AI systems in law enforcement, adequate training and education programs need to be established. Law enforcement personnel should receive thorough training on the capabilities and limitations of AI technologies. This will facilitate proper utilization of these tools and prevent misuse or misunderstanding. Collaboration with legal and privacy experts, 200 words. Collaboration with legal and privacy experts is crucial in navigating the complex landscape of AI in law enforcement. These experts can provide valuable insights into the legal and ethical implications of implementing AI systems. I apologize for the duplication. I will continue the article from where it left off.